In this video, we are going to discuss about the API automation framework updated. So I hope everyone has seen my 30 days of rest assured video, right? Where we have discussed how to create your own custom framework. We are not going to code, but I'm going to explain you step by step what is the technology stack that we are using in API automation and how you can run your API test cases by using the Git Jenkins, how you can run them daily, and how you can leverage the real-time dashboard which is created in ELK stack that you can basically showcase to your stakeholders, right? It's gonna be an amazing video where we have discussed. If you have not watched the 30 days of rest assured where we have created these kind of framework, right, I would request you to do that. And the similar kind of structure generally we do it in Job Ready Automation Tester. If you want to learn, if you want to learn about the Job Ready Automation, there's a live batch already starting, link in the description. We discuss this in more extensive way where we generally do more and more projects in this case. All right, let's get started. First of all, if somebody asks you, right, which automation framework that you have created for APIs, right, what is the tech stack that you are using, right? So tech stack we are using is Java. Java is our primary programming language. What should you know? You should know core Java, multi-threading, collection framework, and that is enough, right? I think more than enough for that case, right? Then you should know rest assured. Rest assured is something that you should know where generally it is in BDD style and non-BDD style where we will use interfaces and classes of request specification, all that you should know, that we have covered in our 30 days or rest assured series also. Maven, TestNG and AzureJ we are using, right, for our assertions, TestNG for testing framework, Maven for our build management tool. We are using Excel file, Pojo mechanism. We are using Jackson and JSON to parse serialization and deserialization of the APIs, or Pojo, sorry. Allure report for reporting mechanism. I think Allure is the simplest one. We generally don't go with extend report because there are lots of paid feature and some other things they generally do. So Allure free version absolutely works like a charm. So this is the folder structure. I think I have explained this multiple times. So here we have a folder structure where we are using endpoints, modules, payload, pojos, utils, and resources. In this, we have a test folder where we have base test and a test folder. Followed by the utils, reporting mechanism, test data that we are basically getting from the testdata.xls. For Excel file reading, we use Philo, or you can use Apache PY, anyone where you are comfortable. I prefer Philo because there you can run SQL command on the CSV file, which is amazing performance. Whenever you have like 2000 or 3000 test cases you want to run, and all the test cases are basically present into your Excel file somewhere, right? You have to read. Philo works very well because it can execute SQL commands into your Excel file. This is amazing. I have discussed Philo, by the way, on the rest assured series. Then you have a test data followed by the runners, right? And of course, we follow the solid principle, right, which are very important. Linting is so important, and you have to use Sonar lint, which is for your linting purposes, right? Now, how would you run this automation framework into your Jenkins daily? This is where generally people want to know, and they wouldn't have a high level view. I'm going to give you this high level view. There is a Git training, link in the description, sdat.live/git. It's a free training that you can watch. It's a 4-video training where I discussed about Git from scratch. That is enough for your software testers. You will push your framework to Git. Generally we use GitHub right now, and after GitHub we will basically pass this to the Jenkins. We'll create a freestyle job. You can go with a pipeline also. I have discussed both of these kind of jobs into the Jenkins tutorial. After that, you can have parameter based on if you want to run this automation framework on QA, pre-prod or prod, right? After that, you can basically pass this result to your S3 bucket. Generally, we pass all the result. We store all the result on S3 bucket. It is much cheaper as compared to keeping everything into the Jenkins, right? So that is there. After that, you can push this data to your real-time dashboard also, which is Elasticsearch Kibana that we are using for our custom reports, right? That I will showcase you. This part I can showcase mostly on the Job Ready Automation Tester that you think about, right? I hope this helps. I hope now you have a high level idea how API automation works and what kind of folder structure that we are basically keeping up, so that you can run more than 2000 3000 test cases parallelly if possible by using a proper tech stack, and you can run it in a CI/CD platform. This is what it is super important, right? I hope now you have a clarity, right? Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the live classes. Link in the description if you want to join the April batch, right? I'll see you in the live classes, and thanks for watching.